Yep, to another episode of the Hank Fishing Show. I'm your host, Henry. Back at the dorm. Just got finished up with a trip that I'm gonna just tell you all about because it's pretty fantastic, if I may say so myself. Left Friday, stayed Saturday, came back Sunday. Went 3 hours north, upper Wisconsin, to do some deer hunting. Yes. My friend who actually goes to college here with me was like, hey, you want to come up this weekend? So I did. He's the founder of quinslodge.com. If you want to check him out, you can. It's right on the link because I will not give you that link. Friday night, got everything ready the night before. Woke up at 4:30 a.m. To get all situated, eat some food, and get out on to the field. I was able to sit in a ground blind for the first 7 hours, then came in, didn't see anything, just some animals, and just no deer. After that, went out to a deer stand, a little tree stand, out in the middle of, we were right beside a river, so we went and hit that little area, just set by some feed. What's going on, folks? Here we are, Hank Fishing Show. Says the Hank Hunting Show. I got the shotgun on my right side, the rifle on my left. Let's go for some turkey, whatever we got going. We got some, we're gonna see if it's deer. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. So I'll show you a quick second. This is a really cool area of town, northern Wisconsin area. Here we are. This is the man, quinslodge.com, like I said before. It's Cleese Outdoors. Quinn's Lodge was nice enough to allow us to, bring us out here and let us see this fantastic area of northern Wisconsin. And you see, that's it right there, the river. But it's the cooler part of the river? Over here, because it's like the rapids. The rapids! Oh, look at that little ice shelf right there. You see that down there? Yeah, it's ice. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully a deer's gonna come by, but you never know, so stay tuned. We get a text at around 2 o'clock saying someone got a deer. Quinn from quinslodge.com, yep, his uncle ends up shooting a 11-point buck. This thing was pretty fat. It was nice buck, nice old deer. It was a good trip overall. Good always to get out, get away from the city, go back up to the old mainland, and get going back down to your roots. But yeah, so that was pretty much it. Didn't really do too much else. Just did some hunting, had some fun. had a good old time. And yeah, so I hope to do more. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. This is Henry, your host. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more.
What you got there?
What I got here is the good old combination, the tried and true combo of the mini bagel and the cream cheese.
Tell me how that works.
I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. I don't know how they make cream cheese, but it comes in bricks. Just spread it on there. You don't even toast.
Oh, you broke it.
Just let it happen. You don't even toast it. I came up with this in elementary school. You don't even toast that. You just look at that. Look at this. Get close up on that. Look at that. Look at that. Huh?
Right
I didn't shoot anything today.
there. That's quinslodge.com.